Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to.
Yo, what's happening, guys? It's Chris back with another video. Today we're doing part 2 of the item series, and it's the last part. I thought I was gonna do, different parts, but I keep yawning. I just deciding to just wrap it up in one big video. So I will be going over this. Right now we're just gonna mainly scripting what we got right now. So I haven't really deleted anything. I just kind of added some buttons, and yeah. So I'm just making a leaderboard right now. So you can just follow along, and yeah. Now this leaderboard will not be saving. We're not doing a save value leaderboard. We're just doing a leaderboard. So yeah. This shouldn't be you guys. But yeah. So right now we're making our leader stats folder, and it's our leader stats folder is gonna hold our leader stats values. So yeah. So that new and what's this number value? We're not gonna really be doing anything on that, and this is gonna. So this is player leader. Okay, so we're gonna set the leader dot name equals leader stats, or we don't have to put a capital down in. We do gotta spell it right though. Okay, and cash dot name equals cash. Okay, so we're just setting everything, and all we gotta do now is set cash dot value to, let's go 50. So now when the player joins, they will have $50. Let's hope that this works. Okay, our cash value, and yeah, that's easy. Hopefully the dogs don't bark. So now we have a bunch of different buttons. Going over this, also scripting one of the buttons. So we have a purchase button, we have a backwards forwards like we already had, and we have item cost, item name, and we have a shop button, which just makes it so we transition in and out of the shop. So this is our script. I will go over it here in a minute, but I'm going to script. Damn it. I'm going to hold on. Okay guys, so we're gonna quickly script this, and this is our button. So we have to localize our button. Don't mind the dogs please in the background. I'll try putting music over them, but I ain't splitting this into. So yeah. So yeah, we're just getting the part right now, and we're or the text button, and we're gonna use it. So okay, so per dot mouse button one down, connect. Now I get made fun of because people think I'm not a really good scripter. I'm better at it than most people, but it's still kind of hard for some people. So we're gonna get our finish. So when we click, we want to get our finished value. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this, and we're gonna put it down here, but it's gonna be focus dot timed, and we're gonna put a double dot, Okay, so now we're also gonna copy this, and we're gonna take the text. Or what we're gonna do is so local cache equals player dot leader stats dot cache. And then if cache dot value is greater than or equal to our so finished dot cost dot value, then so this is checking if it's greater than the finished dot cost dot value, then cache dot equals cache dot value minus finish dot cost dot value. Okay, so we're just making the button that gets it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the workspace, and we're gonna also shut most of these off so we can't see them. Alright guys, so we're getting the buttons, we're getting the parts now, so yeah, your name is Hammer. Or we're gonna rename you to Sledgehammer. So, Sledgehammer. New chainsaw. Well, we even spell it right. And you should, okay, we're gonna rename you Knife, and rename you, yeah, your sword. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna copy all of these. Well, okay, and then we're gonna do, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag them all into replicate, right? Then we're gonna group, duplicate, and ungroup, and then we're gonna ungroup this one. Okay, so what are you? What are you? Oh. This goes in sword. Okay. Do we have the one for the chainsaw? And we have it for the sledgehammer, right? Okay. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the item name, and we're also gonna set the cost of it. Well, it already shows it. So yeah. So now what we're gonna do is the button's gonna say purchase, so we can just set your text to purchase. I can't even spell purchase. My dyslexia is kicking in. Purchase 24. Let's just make you cartoon, which should look okay. We can't even see it. It doesn't matter. Okay, so once you purchase it, we're gonna do local item equals game dot replicated storage find first child finished dot item dot value. Should I spell it with an upper? Yep. Clone. Item dot parent equals player dot starter gear. And we're gonna name it tool. So item dot name equal tool. So what we gotta do is we gotta put okay, so you are sledgehammer. I could spell sledgehammer right. We're gonna insert a tool. Alright, so I'm just getting everything set up right now for this. So this is kind of a longer video. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So this way, it also finds it, and then what this is gonna do is then we're gonna drop a line and do if player dot because if the tool is equipped, that would be a problem. So yeah, so we gotta check to see if it's in the player or the character. Okay, so we're gonna actually, we're gonna keep you at nil, but then we're also gonna take you and also set you. Okay, so if player backpack find first child tool or player dot or char find first child tool then. Okay, so we're gonna move everything over. And what we're gonna do is that tool is gonna get destroyed. So how am I gonna do this? So we're going to do another if statement. So if just backpack dot tool equal nil, then right now we're just gonna have it do a wait. Or it's gonna be else if what or char dot tool nil, then else if and we can just copy this line. And then just does not equal nil. Okay. So this, I hope this works, because I'm doing this off of memory. So, destroy. Char. Okay, char dot destroy. Okay, so now when we play, this should work. So, let's load it up. Oh, we didn't set our purchase button to visible. Or, yeah, I forgot to set our purchase button to visible too when this does it. So, dot visible equal true. Per dot visible equal false. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, I'm getting some major lag. Is my text not changed? Is that why? Did I spell everything right? That's my next question. Did I spell it right? Okay. Oh. So if it's purchased. So you're supposed to have a tool right away, at least. That's the whole point of the game. When you make an item shop, so you're supposed to have a tool automatically. So let's just insert one into starter pack because that's the whole point. And okay, shop. Okay, so tool is not a valid member of model. Line 29. Okay, so we might. I went through and I changed some things, and I actually changed a lot. So I don't know. The thing is, I don't know what's going on with the camera. I looked at an iPrevi's video, because his camera didn't seem to change a lot when I did the camera type of custom. So I'm just gonna try something that he did. So let's see. I don't know if that's gonna help at all, but who knows. Okay, so what we did is for right here. So I'm just gonna go over the whole script. So right now we have our item name, item cost, shop, our purchase button, and our debounce. Right here is our finished focus one. It sets the item text value and the cost value on the very first item, and it sets the very first item in the row. Purchase button. Now this is where it gets a little confusing. So the finished focus at time, local cache, character, tools. So I had a problem with the tools. I was trying to figure out because if you have it in your character but not in your backpack, but then if you have it in your backpack and not in your character, it was weird. I was trying to figure that out. So I did figure out. So tools char character, basically find first child tools. If cache that value greater than or equal to the finished cost of value. If tools, so basically if tools is true, basically, then it'll destroy the tool and it will do all this. Else it will destroy it from the backpack and do the exact same code and put the new tool in your backpack. Then down here, I'm still trying to figure it out. There might be a part 3 depending on if I keep having problems with the camera. So camera type, we just set all these to visible and differently. Then we're just down here, we're just setting the item cost and item name value, and that's it for the code. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys that it works. For some reason the camera gets weird sometimes. I don't know why, but yeah. So if we can hit play. So actually, you know what? First, let's change everything. Let's change a little something. Let's change you to 1. Okay, so you have to put a tool or some type of tool in the very beginning. Hit shop, purchase. You don't notice anything different, but your cache went down and your tool went down. Then you have a chainsaw. I just made a quickly animation for this. It was weird. Obviously you can't use it or anything. And I should make, I don't know, that's a whole nother tutorial. So then so see right now I can move and stuff, so that works. But if I feel like if I go to knife, Jesus, and hit purchase, look at that, that's weird. See how it does that? It's only for knife though. It's only for knife. It's only if I do it with knife. So yeah, I forgot to unanger that. But you see like how my camera type is all weird? I don't know why, but for some reason the camera type, which might be the part 3, shut up! If anyone can help me with the camera type, that would be amazing. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.